Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today I got here the finished product of the Mastergrade RGM-79 or the GM ground type from the Gundam series, anime series 8 MS team. So it's my first time to have a GM because honestly I don't like collecting grunt suits, but since I already collected or started buying grunt suits from different Gundam series like the Barbatos and from the V Gundam or the Victory Gundam, so why not also buy a model kit from 8MS team, which is this one, the RGM. So technically speaking, this RGM here is just the same with the Gundam I reviewed already previously, the Gundam ground type, the RX-79G. And there's no special thing about this kit, by the way, except for the nice color, which is this orange here. Actually, I thought this is a bit dark orange, but the plastic color here in the actual assembly is this kind of tangerine orange color or vibe. So it's much brighter, and honestly it looks toyish, but I really like the appearance of it since it's very unique to the grunt suit, because mostly grunt suit are in green or military green color or those fatiguely looking color scheme. But this one I really like this vibrant orange here, and also the white color here is different with the off-white or this kind of white of this RX-78 or 79G. It has much similarly shaded with the Easy 8. So there we got this team of the 8MS team, which I already finished collecting the cast. So I'm very happy to include this one because just like the Operation V team from the Gundam Mobile Suit Gundam, which I already collected, now I got the complete set of this 8MS team. So very nice. And so articulation wise, it's the same with these two, which I already did reviewing before. And there we got the same generic rifle, so they have the same guns here, this machine gun and this kind of beam rifle, which I believe it's not included in the 8MS team, but for the Bandai release or the model kit release, they included this kind of rifle. And for this model here, this RGM doesn't have the backpack or the fridge, which I always tell myself, the fridge on the back. So it has a booster, which is very nice, but I'm a bit annoyed with this thruster here. It's so loose. The connection with the polycap inside is really loose. I'm very annoyed with that. And aside from that, other unique weapon with this kit is this sniper rifle, the GM sniper rifle. And I didn't include the specific hand for this kind of rifle. I much like the regular hand there, and I added chain for this. So as you can see, I glued this chain here. So I modified this thing with this kind of chain So this is a Lego chain, by the way. So I just put it on super glue the gun, and my purpose is to make it hang here like this. Okay, there it's like a holster on the shoulder like that, for him to pick up this rocket launchers, and so I can have him hold his third weapon, which is this one. Okay. There you go. There. At least he can hold this weapon and make the other big gun free on his back. And there, he can still wield the other one here, the rifle or the machine gun. There, on the other hand. See, and he will look more badass than these two here. Okay, so that's my purpose why I put chain on the sniper rifle. So the question here is, can we make him hold the or use the fridge from the other units like the Easy 8? So let's check this thing. Let's remove this fridge here, and let's remove the backpack here. There. So good thing they have the similar appearance on the back, except for this one. In the Easy 8, got some part here, protruding part on the back, whereas this RGM here doesn't have any, but they have the same slots here. So if we're going to connect it, okay, it will fit. So there, the RGM can have this fridge on its back, but there. But the downside for this RGM is it has a very loose connection on the thigh, which will make him drop it, backdrop it, because of the looseness on the thigh. I don't know why. It's very loose on the thigh part. And can we use the backpack, which to be honest I like it with the RGM here. It looks so nice. How about this booster here? No, we cannot do that because of this structure here on the back, unless we will remove this. I think we can. Can we remove it? Wait, can we remove? No, because this is already attached on this gray piece here, so I cannot do so. How about here? Okay, the RX-79 Gundam does have also the same protruding part on the Easy 8, so we cannot do that. We cannot attach it like that. So there, the conclusion is only the RGM can wield the fridge on the back, but it's very heavy. Okay, so return it to the rightful owner, which is the RX-78 Easy 8 or 79 Easy 8, just that. So I really like it. I really like this kit here. Technically, it looks looks like the ground type Gundam. They have the similar knee studs here, except there's no gray part on this portion here, and the torso, they have the almost exact cockpit doors, but for the vents they have different vents. The RGM here has the symmetrical vents, whereas the ground type fuck the dog. So the ground type, there's only one vent and two gun barrels there. Okay. Okay, and that's it. This is just a quick, simple review for the RGM 78 ground type or 79 ground type from the 8MS team. By the way, the other rifle, I donated it to the full armor Gundam. So now his free hand is wielding the appropriate beam gun or beam rifle there. So much better. So for size comparison, by the way, let's compare all the sizes from the Fedis. So I have here all the Federation model kits from Bandai. So I got here these RX-78-5, the Gundam 05. Okay, so they all have the same height. And also I got here the gun cannon from the Operation Meteor. So actually gun cannon here looks more grunt. So they look so brotherly. So they're like brothers. The looks are more grunt on this part. Then here is the full armor Gundam. So full armor Gundam here is just the same with the RGM, and this is the granddaddy of all, the RX-78-2 version 3.0, and my GP01 here from the Gundam project, the Zephyrantis. So they're all the same height, 18 centimeters. So thank you so much for watching this review, and see you next time.